The Sikh organizations are staging massive protests and rallies on occasion of 38th anniversary of the Operation Blue Star by Indian forces of the Golden Temple in Amritsar today. In a statement, President Khalsa said, "We are undertaking an Azadi march in Amritsar to pay homage to Sikh heroes who fought till their last breath." Operation Blue Star was the code name of a military operation carried out by Indian security forces between 1 and 10 June 1984 in order to remove Naxal and followers from the buildings of the Golden Temple, the holiest site for Sikhs. This operation was aimed to suppress the Khalistan movement of Sikhs. According to media reports, thousands of civilians were killed in the notorious operation involving several divisions of Indian Army and paramilitary forces and even tanks.